Today we are going to solve question number 22 for the CKA practice exam. The question says node kind worker has been added to the cluster using kubeadm and tlsbootstrapping. Find the issue and extended key usage values of the kind worker, kubelet client certificate and the one used for outgoing connections to the kube API server, kubelet server certificate, the one used for incoming connections from the kube API server. Write the information into file, compare the issuer and extended key usage values, fields of both certificates, and make sense of these. Let's start the question. k8s-nodes. So this is the one. What we will do is docker ps exec copy docker exec -it bin bash cd et var lib kubelet pki ls. Okay, openssl -n no out issuer ext extended key usage I just forgot x509. Here it is. The same thing will be done for the kubelets.crt. This and this, these we should be writing this information into this file. Copy this file, go to new tab, paste it here, vim, copy, paste, copy, paste. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.